Come along with me while I buy the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So I went to the Apple store at the World Trade Center to buy my iPhone. I decided to take the 256GB one in the shade Deep Purple, which costed me about $11.99. In case you didn't already know, the new iPhone does not have the physical SIM tray anymore. It only supports the eSIM feature. I have to be honest, I am most excited about the camera. I heard that the back camera is 48 megapixel, which is so cool, so I'll definitely do a comparison. Along with the iPhone 14 Pro Max, I also separately purchased the power adapter and the MagSafe silicone case at the store. Now let's unbox the iPhone together. So you get the charging cable, the usual Apple logo sticker that comes with every iPhone, and along with that you also have the instructions for the new eSIM feature. The deep purple is such a unique shade. It looks kind of greyish black or like a mix of navy blue, but with a little bit of lighting or sunshine you can actually notice the purple tint. The battery life has also increased to approximately 29 hours for video streaming, and another cool feature of this phone is the always on display. You can only see the screen lighting dim a little bit when you lock it, so you can still see essential features like the time, date, etc. So this is the iPhone 14 Pro Max front camera video. So this is in HD 60, and as you can see the camera is a lot brighter and I can see my pimples a lot more clearly in the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So I had to compare the back camera as well between the 13 and the 14 Pro Max, and I used the same HD 60 for both the cameras, and you can see a clear difference when it comes to the resolution. There's a huge difference between the cameras of both because the iPhone 13 Pro is just 12 megapixel while the iPhone 14 Pro Max is 48 megapixel. So that's about it. I hope this video was useful for you and you got a clear comparison of both the phones. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.